Hey, how you doing everyone? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today we're going to be doing rear brakes and rotors on a 2015 Chevy Silverado. You see me do brakes and rotors on other videos if you're a subscriber, if you might have seen them before. So it's pretty much the same as any other vehicle. Remove your lug nuts, remove your wheel, remove the caliper, the mount. All right, now the easy part, because this truck's pretty new and the brakes aren't that bad, just to remove your drum. Now I suggest while you have the drum off, check everything else. And actually, it looks like we might have a wheel seal is just starting to leak. All right, once you got your wheel off, the lug nuts in the wheel were 22 millimeter, 13 millimeter, and the caliper mounting bolts are back here are an 18 millimeter. If this inner nut here, hopefully you can see that spinning on the camera, spins, you're going to have to get a wrench and put a wrench on that. Now on your caliper mounts, where your pads slide, pop your covers, your pad slides out. Make sure there's no rust in here at all. If there is, you're going to clean all that rust out. You're going to coat this with brake lube and then snap your new pins in and then lubricate your new slides as well. Once you have your new slides snapped into place, you want to make sure that you lubricate and clean if these are real sticky or gooey. You don't want these to stick. They're caliper slide pins. So make sure you get a good coat of caliper lube and lubricate both of those. And make sure when you press it in, make sure they seat by pulling them back out and see that this is completely seated up against here. You don't want it stuck out here because they can let water get in. So make sure it's fully seated on there. Make sure you install your pads with the metal wear clip at the top on the inside pad and lubricate both sides of your pads before putting the caliper on. When tightening your caliper bolts, this is a 20 millimeter and this is a 13 millimeter. Hold this still from spinning and to snug it up by hand. That's how you replace the rear brakes on a 2015 Chevy Silverado. Thanks for watching Big Frog's 4x4. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, God bless.